to my YouTube channel. So my name is Ida and this is my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please guys, like, share and subscribe. So yeah, today is my moving vlog, my moving day, and I'm doing a moving vlog. And yeah, you can hear the echo. So I want to give you a quick empty house tour. Yeah. Hello guys, so the first thing you're going to see while coming to the house is the window, and then this is the door. And then when you enter the house, the first thing you're going to see is this nice wardrobe set and this token whatever. And then yeah, that's the view of the door from inside. Yeah, and this is the closet. I love the color of this closet. Then you can notice that it's a bit large or long, and that's the interior of the wardrobe. I love the fact that it has these two rods for hanging your clothes, and then this space over here. Basically, this is the general view of the wardrobe. Yeah. Then I'm giving you a view of this part of the house. This is the bedside socket. Just a view of the ceiling over there. The tiles, I love these tiles, the fact that they're gray, and I don't know, there's something about these tiles that's authentic. And it also coordinates with the color on the wall. Luckily, I won't have a problem like designing the house and finishing it because I have a color scheme to go by. Then this is the window. This is the, let me say, the only main window. It has one window, yeah, though I wish there was another window in the other wall I've shown you guys. Then yeah, then guys, this is the view from this other side, the wardrobe side. You can notice the house is large even for me. So this is my kitchen area, if I'm allowed to call it that way. Then this cabinet is a porcini, and then yeah, we have the sink, and these are my glasses. I was moving that day, but I decided to carry my glasses separately. If you have glass things, you just want to take good care of them. Yeah, so this is the wall here, and this is where you put your cooker. You can notice the sink area has a large space where I can put, and then these are the cupboards up there, this space and this other space. And then this is the first window I showed you guys, the window that is next to my kitchen. Yeah, one thing about these upper drawers is that I'm short, so I don't know, I'll just figure a way to how to navigate all of that. But yeah, basically that's the kitchen area, and then it's so large, it's enough space you can put your fridge, your dispenser, yeah. Yeah, look at the view from here. This is the view from the kitchen. Yeah, you can see how beautiful those tiles are and how it coordinates with the paint on the wall. Yeah, love this house. And love the fact that the kitchen area has tiles because, well, now this, guys, is my washroom. As you can see, the first thing you notice is the door and that glass over there, and then the tiles. Yeah. This is where you put your soap dish or soap bar, where you hang your towels. The hot shower is there. That toilet window and another rod for your towels. then the seats, yeah. But sad thing is that I don't know if I'll be able to put my. If you saw my other house, you'll notice I have a wooden, a DIY. I don't know how it's called. I'll try to pin it on the screen there. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to call a fundi to come and drill the walls. I don't know. I'm still contemplating. Yeah, that's me. And there's the door to my balcony. Yeah, and that's me again. And I love this balcony, though it was where I live now is a bit how is it called, dusty. So like I'll have to like wash the balcony every day, which is not a problem. But yeah, so that's my house, guys. Love it. Love it. See you when I finish it. Bye.